Hi everyone, welcome back to Essie Cooks. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make one of mine and my husband's absolute favorite dishes for the weekend, date night, whatever. This one is so good. I'm going to be making it really fast in this video, so if you have any questions at all about substitutions or anything like that, just let me know in the comments and I will definitely get back to you that. So let's get started. The first thing we're going to start with is 2 to 4 Beyond sausages. I just had 2 at home, so that's what I'm using here. I crumbled them up in a pan and cooked them down, I think 8 to 10 minutes. Then I added 4 cloves of minced garlic. I added in some fennel, hot chili, and Italian seasoning. I'll have the recipe link below so you can get the exact amounts there. Then I have some sun-dried tomatoes, very finely chopped. That adds so much flavor. I'm cooking 1 whole pack of gnocchi. And I'm going to save a little pasta reserve water, just like a 1/4 cup. I'm going to drain that gnocchi, throw it straight into the pan with the sausage and the spices. Also, I'm going to add some kale. You could add spinach if you like. That has been chopped. And I'm going to add some cashew cream. Not a lot, just enough to kind of coat it really nicely. This isn't a super saucy dish, but this just gives it a really nice touch. You could use any vegan cream or any cream that you want in this. And I'm just going to stir it all together. Now, if you wanted to make this healthier, you could use lentils or chickpeas instead of the Beyond sausage. That would still be really good, but if it's a weekend treat, I just think those spicy Italian Beyond sausages are so good in this. And honestly, there's so much flavor from the sun-dried tomatoes, but of course, we're going to add salt and pepper to taste always. A little bit of fresh parm. You can use vegan parm, whatever you like, and you can totally make this dish completely vegan or not, depending on what you like, what you have, and how you eat. So I hope you love this dish as much as we did. We're going to give that a really good stir and remove it from heat right away, especially if you're using cashew cream. It thickens up fast, as you can see here. So you can go ahead and serve that up onto plates. Now this makes 4 servings, just depending. You probably need like a side salad or a bread or something on the side if you're dividing this into 4 servings. But this is honestly so delicious. Like I said, it's one of my favorite dishes ever, and I can't wait to eat this one again and again. Definitely had to get it out on the blog. So yeah, let me know if you try this. Let me know if you like it. Let me know if you have any questions about the recipe, about substitutions, and things like that. And if you want to see more videos like this, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button below.